Introducing the all-natural skin brightening and anti-aging vitamin C serum by Kazumi. Our US-based serum can give your skin a firmer, smoother, and more youthful look. Its 100% natural vegan base is comprised of the most essential vegan oils. Our skin serum is 100% free of irritants, parabens, allergens, artificial colors, and additives, which makes it completely safe on the most delicate skin types. Application is easy. Before you begin, please make sure the area is fully exfoliated. Then simply add the serum to your face or neck area. Let sit overnight and wait to a captivating, healthy, radiant skin tone. Magnify your beauty right now by ordering our serum on Amazon.com.